All right. Hello everyone.
Hi.
Welcome back to Doodle Dollars. This is Courtney and
Aria.
And today we're going to be doing our mini Mondays. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to roll?
Yeah.
Okay. So Aria's going to roll. We have $25 here and a spicy 5, so for a total of $30. We have our 6 envelopes in here. I have these cute new dashboards that are available for my members.
Those are really cute.
Thanks. 1 through 6. So these will be a digital download for you in my Ko-fi shop. If you are a member, you can get them. And they'll be available on August 1st. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so Aria is going to roll and it's going to tell us how many bills go in each challenge, okay?
5. Means 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Go ahead.
2.
2. Next.
Wait.
Perfect. Okay.
5.
Oh, there's our spicy 5. So spicy.
Wait.
Okay.
2.
Okay, back to challenge number 1.
5.
Oh, and that's it. Okay. So now we're going to put this aside and we'll see how much we made for each challenge, okay? So this first challenge is by me. It says the only BS I need is baseball season. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. $11. We're gonna make each bow $2, okay? Do you wanna cross out 5 bows, please?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Okay, and we have $1 left over here that we will just roll over to next time. All right, so next in challenge number 2, we got how many dollars?
1, 2.
$2. All right, so we have this challenge by Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. Each one of these icons is worth $2, so we're gonna cross out 1. And I accidentally did this the other day, so this actually isn't crossed out. So can you cross out that one? Thank you. All right, so let's count how much we have in this challenge. We have 20, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 30. And we just need $2 to finish this one. All right, challenge number 3 got how many?
1, 2, 3.
$3.
Same as the number.
I know, crazy, huh?
Yeah. It's kind of like lucky because same.
Yeah, it is kind of lucky. We're going to make each one of these little symbols $2. Can you write a 2 right here? Like right there. Thank you. All right, so we got one set of $2 and we have an extra one here. So we can put a check mark next to one of these symbols. Which one do you want to do?
This one.
Okay, so put like a little check mark right there. Good job. Okay, so $3 here. We have our 1 that we're rolling over. All right, next challenge, challenge number 4. Do you want to count these bills with me? Oh, this one got our spicy 5. So we start with the 5, and we're gonna get 5.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Awesome. And this is a new challenge as well. This one is by Life with Me. Lots of new challenges this week because last week we finished 5 challenges out of the 6. I think we're gonna make each be $1 for this one. Can you put a 1 right there? Good job. All right, and we're gonna cross out 9, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Cross out 9 of the B's. Good job. So we just need $3 more for that one. All right, challenge number 5. How many dollars did we get?
1, 2, 3.
$3. This new challenge is by Angela Marie. And let me get you a red. Do you want to color in strawberry? The 3 strawberries with that red? Okay, and while you color, why don't you tell us about how you've been doing?
I've been doing good. With my dad, it was really fun. I don't really remember what we did, but I know we went to his birthday party.
Mm-hmm.
I know not any of you sorry, did I say like, I didn't mean to say but, I meant to say, didn't know Freya. It was her birthday. How many strawberries?
3 strawberries.
And
did you have cake at her birthday?
No, it was cupcakes and donuts. Some of the donuts look really pretty. I had unicorn
donut?
Yeah.
And what movie did you see this week with your camp this past week?
How to Train Your Dragon.
Yep, that's it. Good job. How to Train Your Dragon. Did you love it?
Yeah.
You said it was your favorite movie that you've seen all summer, right?
Yeah.
So fun. So you've been having a good summer?
Yeah. You might have saw it already, but I was just letting you know that I saw it.
Yeah. I wonder if you have seen How to Train Your Dragon, let us know in the comments what you thought about it. All right, this last challenge is by Budget with Amanda. We got how many dollars here?
1, 2.
2. So we are gonna fill in 2 of these circles. 1 and 2. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot. All right. And that is it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you all in our next video. Bye. Do you want to say bye?
Bye. I hope you see the next video we record.